The Hubitat Elevation Mobile App, available for iOS and Android devices, gives you access to your dashboards and the Hubitat user interface, and it allows you to use your phone as a presence sensing device. To get started, download the app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. When you open the app, it may ask you if you'd like to allow the app to send you notifications. You will probably want to allow this so that you can set up your device notifications in Safety Monitor. If you will be using your phone as a presence device, you will also need to allow the app to use your location. At the login screen, you'll probably want to log in as an existing hub owner. You can select local hub discovery if you are connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your hub, but if you do this, you will go straight to the web interface of your hub and you will not be able to set up your phone as a presence device. So we're going to log in as an existing owner. Once you are logged in, the app offers three menu options: Dashboards, Geofence, and Settings. In the Dashboard section, you'll see that a new dashboard has been created with all of your devices on it. If you have created your own dashboards, they will also show up here as well. To create a new dashboard in the app, tap the cloud icon and the plus icon. To see a dashboard, just tap on the one you'd like to use. You can adjust the dashboard settings and add new tiles using the icons in the upper right-hand corner. Next, we're going to make sure our phone is set up as a presence device. First, go into your Settings tab. Make sure Enable Geofence is turned on. Tap on Select Hub. Then tap on your hub. If your phone shows up in the list, tap on it. If it does not, tap on Create New Device. Now we want to set up our Geofence. Tap the Geofence icon at the bottom of the screen and it will show you a map of the hub's location. If you have not already set the location of your hub, you will need to do that in the web interface under the Settings section. The circle indicates the range of your Geofence. You can adjust it with the slider at the top of the screen. You can also switch between map view and satellite view here. Going back to the Settings tab, you'll see a few options such as debugging and send geo event that can be used for troubleshooting. If you want access to the web interface via the app, tap on Discover Local Hubs. This feature is only available while connected to the same network as your hub. Select your hub and you will be in the web interface where you can set up devices, build automations, manage your settings, and more. If you look in the Devices section, you can see that your phone is now a device that can be used in your automations to detect when you are home or away. To exit the web interface, tap Done. That should give you a good start on using your mobile app. For more help with the Hubitat app or ideas on using presence devices, visit our online community at community.hubitat.com. Thank you for watching, and thank you for elevating your environment with Hubitat Elevation.